Hello everyone, and we're going to make a simple dash script. So first of all, in starter player scripts, let's add a local script and rename this to dash because we're making a dash script. And second of all, let's just make the script. First of all, let's local our player equals to get service players dot local player. And let's local our character equals player dot character or player dot character added double point wait. Then we're gonna local our humanoid root part. So I'll short name it character double point wait for child humanoid root part. Then let's local our humanoid equals character double point wait for child humanoid. Now let's local our user input service equals game double point get service user input service. Let's local our dash cooldown. We can set this to whatever we want. I will make it 1 second. Local last dash time equals to 0 to just check is dashing. It's a boolean value. Let's set this to false because you know dash when you enter the game. Then user input service. Oh, my gas lock was on. Not input began double point connect function. Let's just do input just to see what the player has input. If input double equal enum dot ecode dot, and then you can put whatever you want. I'll put q because that's the most default one. And tick minus last dash time is greater or equal to dash cooldown and not is dashing. Then local move direction equals to vector3 dot new a humanoid dot move direction dot x comma oh I don't know what I did there comma 0 comma humanoid dot move direction dot z dot unit. I don't know why it's a capital letter, normally it's a small letter. If move direction dot magnitude is greater than 0, then last dash time equals to tick is dashing equals to true. Local dash distance, I'll set this to 50. Local base dash speed equals to 200. Yeah, you can adjust these two. You can like play around with them after we're done with the script. Local dash speed equals to base dash speed times 0.5, which is 50% of the base speed when in the air. Then local dash speed equals to humanoid point get state equals to enum dot humanoid state type dot free fall and air dash speed, make it smaller a bit, or base dash speed local dash duration equals to dash distance divided by dash speed, and our initial velocity equals to move direction times dash speed. Then hrp humanoid root part dot velocity equals to initial velocity wait dash duration. And if the humanoid dot move direction is equal to move direction, then hrp dot velocity equals to vector3 dot new is dashing equals to false. And below all of this, let's do humanoid dot state changed dot point connect function old state comma new state. I'll also put here a capital letter. If is dashing and new state equals to enum dot humanoid state dot jumping, then humanoid root part velocity equals to vector3 new is dashing will become false. Now normally when you play the game you will see we are not dashing yet, but let me just quickly check through all of this. Okay, here I forgot to do dot ecode. Let's see if this works now. And as you can see, we dash, you jump, you can dash. It will like give you like a speed boost. You can of course change how it feels here. Let's do dash distance to 100. Let's like can dash even further. Boom, boom. You see, everything works. I will leave it at 50. Cooldown is at 1 second, so every 1 second you can dash again. Yep, everything works perfectly fine. Well, thank you for watching. Just so you guys know, I have a Discord channel where you will find all the models of my previous tutorial. Also, if you have any questions there, you will find me. You can ask your questions or your problems inside of the Discord server, and I'll try to help you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.